how to create a Shopify store with AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create your own Shopify store with the help of AI. Now, a lot of people don't realize is that they no longer have to do all of the tedious parts of designing their own Shopify store. Instead, you can easily do it with the help of AI. And when we are automating everything from our articles to our essays, why not automate the store creation process? Especially if you are someone that is a business owner and is just looking to establish a good design, then you can easily do it with the power of AI. And you don't need any third-party tools anymore. You can do it all within Shopify. So let's get started. To get started with creating our own Shopify store with the power of AI, first off, I have built my own store, but you can click on a brand new store and start building from scratch as well. So I'm going to click on create store and you guys are just going to add your store information as you normally would. I'm going to skip the customized setup. I would say that you guys can skip it as well. It's not truly a necessary part at all of setting up your store. It's going to honestly make no differences in how your store actually looks. So you can, proceed however you prefer in that particular domain. Now, once you've done that, once you've created your brand new store, you can click on online store on the left. And once you click on online store, you will see different themes. So within themes, the default theme is the Dawn theme. And after the Dawn theme, you can see there is this section called Design Your Store in Seconds. So that is what we are going to be using to quickly design our Shopify store. Now for this, all you have to be doing is simply going in and scrolling down, and then you can proceed with designing your store. Now, you need to describe your business and you want to add as much detail as possible. So what I recommend is you can open ChatGPT and use ChatGPT to help you in building your description. So going back into Shopify, my brand is called Elia. It is a luxury clothing brand. We have classic cuts, elegant styles, elegant designs. We create women's wear and menswear. Our latest collection is called Summer Somewhere SS25. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave it at that, and I'm going to click on generate themes, and it's going to generate themes according to the current description. Now, if you want, you can add, further descriptors by using ChatGPT and asking it to just, create some more details for you. But you guys can see these are the 3 demos that have been created. Now, I want to proceed and I want to generate again. So you can just click on generate themes once more and it will create new themes for you. So I want to also define my color scheme. So for that, I might have to, this looks really nice. Although this has a blue color scheme, I definitely could change it. So I'm going to click on view demo. And this is what it looks like. Wow, this is honestly beautiful. This is exactly what I would want. I would just change the blue to a different color. So I'm going to click on try theme over here. And just like so, the part of my Shopify store that would usually take me around 5 to 6 hours to build has now been built within a few seconds. So now that we have built some of the basics for our store, let's move towards some of our more defined items. So we're going to try the theme and wait for it to be loaded up. So now it has been added as my current theme and I can click on customize to get started with customization of my theme. So in terms of customization of my Shopify theme, I do want to proceed first off by going into the color scheme. So you guys can see if I click on the color schemes, it has all of these color schemes. And I can directly go into theme settings on the left and then go into colors, click on scheme. And wherever it has the blue color, let's say I want to change this to a gold type of color. So I am going to find the best suited color that can look a bit like gold. And I think it's this one over here. Or I might want to opt for like a really dark red. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to play around with these gold hues. Slightly warmer. I think this is the color that I want. Once I do that, I am going to select the color code for this and copy this. And I'm just going to paste this everywhere. So I can just go into this section and then just click on paste. So it replaces my blue to that particular yellow hue. It will also show that in the recently selected. Now I'm going to do this for all of the color schemes because if I need to replace the blue everywhere, it needs to be added to all the editing schemes that have been created and applied throughout my store. Now I might want it to be slightly darker, so I'm gonna opt for this warmer, darker brown tone instead. I just like it, so I'm going to proceed with this one from now, and I'm just going to change it up a little. And we're going to just be changing this throughout the entire store. And it's not honestly a hassle at all because usually I would just be spending, 2 hours designing one individual section, trying to make it look professionally made. This just saves you a lot of time, and all you have to do is just replace the things with your own. Once I've done that, I'm going to go into the section, the header section, and we have the logo that we want to upload. So you can go back and then go into theme settings and go into logos and then select your own logo if you have one. If you do not have a logo, you can click on this section here where it shows your logo within your header, and you're going to scroll down and you can actually alter this. So the logo position is middle center, main menu, drawer, and always reduce this, and you can change this within your Shopify store dashboard. Whenever you change the store title, this will be changed. Moving forward, I have this section. Now I'm going to elevate my style. This has some sample products and everything looks perfect. So I'm just going to click on save, and now I can exit and start adding my products. To add my products, I will just go into product on the left and click on add product. Once I do that, I can just enter in my product. Let's say this is going to be my ruffle set, and I can just click on the generate text option to generate a description with AI. I don't have to use a third-party copywriting tool. It's all present in Shopify. So I'm just going to be using the generate option. This is a mustard colored cotton 2-piece set. And I'm just going to click on generate, and it will generate a description for me. And then I can click on upload to upload images of my product. Let's say this is our product. And then we can enter the price and then click on save. And just like so, you can get started with using AI to build your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.